So in this video, we're probably not going to be putting this training motor in this because it's so cold out right now that my cherry picker doesn't want to go up, or well, it doesn't want to go up a weight on it because the seals are so cold. I do have backup. I've got a customer truck with a DOD lifter failure. Hopefully it's something you guys are interested in. It's LS base Gen 4, and then we'll just do a teardown video of this. I don't need my cherry picker, my air tools. I won't need any air tools for it, so we'll do that. Hopefully you guys understand. It's supposed to be warming back up. Right now it's around -10 to, it's hovering around -10 to 0 degrees during the day. It's supposed to warm up to 20 above and whatever else here in a couple days. So hopefully you guys understand. We'll get to it. Well, here's the truck that I gotta do the teardown on. It's a 08 Yukon. It's got a 5.3 with DOD lifters and stuff in it. Funny story is it already spit out a rod on one engine, and my buddy that owns the truck had bought a junkyard engine with low miles, and as soon as we put it in, it literally had lifter tick on first startup with like 32,000 miles or something like that. He bought an extended warranty and stuff through the junkyard, whatever else, and the junkyard's paying me to tear it down and see what it is. It's missing on number 3, I think, so we'll tear the driver's side head off, and it's probably going to be total loss. Have to do a cam and whatever else, but we'll see when we get it apart. He's been driving it for 4 or 5 months with the tick, and he says now that it's getting colder it's a lot worse. So we'll tear it down and show you guys what we find. Guys, I just got pulled the plugs on 1 and 3. 3 is the one with the problem. Here's the plug on number 1. Hopefully you guys can see that good. It's dark, it's, you know, black, but it's not wet. He's also complaining about burning oil. This is the plug on number 2. Hopefully you guys can see it's shiny, oil soaked. I can't really tell on the camera. So bad news bears, we might be looking at a bad guide. Maybe stuck ring. I mean, it's up in the air right now, but we're gonna keep tearing her down and figure out what it is. So just wanted to give you guys a look while I was taking it apart. Another thing to note, let me drop these. These are the push rods out of number 2. Let me see. I'm sorry guys, hopefully you can tell. The one on the right has like a polish mark further down than the one on the left. It's because lack of oil is where it made it wear, and also made it wear into the back side of the rocker. Let me drop these real quick and I'll show you. Once again, one on the left versus the one on the right. So we'll keep going. So it's not really like what I like to see, but cylinder's pretty washed. That's number 3 there. There's no oddities on the cam. There's no obviously bad lifter. Obviously the lifters probably need replaced because they're not feeding oil correctly up the push rods. Not really a good deal, because this is supposed to be a low mileage engine. It's got a pretty good score in the 1 cylinder there, but we're gonna run it by the customer, and the customer's got a warranty on it, so see what they want to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully next week I'll be working on the Valiant. Hopefully it's a little bit warmer. Be safe, have fun. Till next time.